keep moving, current pulling at your side. Waves keep crashing, nowhere to hide. Arms feel heavy, grip feels weak, but you still fighting every week. Roll, roll, push ahead, even when your hope feels dead. Stream ain't calm, it twists instead, but don't let go, don't lose your thread. Keep it going, don't you stop, even when it feels too much. Roll through the strain, sun will find you past the rain. You in a boat with cracks below, taking water, moving slow. Every stroke feels twice as hard, like you drifting way too far. Like the river got a mind trying to pull you off your line. Like the shore keeps moving back every time you find your path. You laugh it off like I'm alright, but your arms done lost their fight. Still you're digging through the pain, still you rolling through the strain. Current pulling at your side, waves keep crashing, nowhere to hide. Arms feel heavy, grip feels weak, but you still fighting every week. Whoa, whoa, push ahead, even when your hope feels dead. Stream ain't calm, it twists instead, but don't let go, don't lose your thread. Keep it going, don't you stop, even when it feels too much. Roll the strain, sun will find you past the rain. I'm like an oar that's worn down thin, still cutting through the current spin. Like a map that's torn in half, still trying to point you on a path. Like a rhythm off by time, still somehow keeps you in the rhyme. Like a fire in the rain, still burning through the pain. You don't need a perfect flow, you just need to keep your strokes. Even slow is still a move, even tired still gets through. You don't gotta win the river, you just gotta stay afloat. You don't need to see the ending, just don't let go of the boat. Keep rowing, yeah. Just keep rowing. Maybe you ain't close to shore, maybe you got miles more, but every stroke you didn't quit means you're still inside of it. You ain't lost, you just been tried by the weight against the tide. And if you're breathing, you're still in, still got strength to row again. Even rivers gotta end, even storms don't always win, so keep your hands where they belong and push through till the break of dawn. Roll, roll, push ahead, even when your hope feels dead. Stream ain't calm, it twists instead, but don't let go, don't lose your thread. Keep it going, don't you stop, even when it feels too much. Roll through the strain, you gon' make it through the rain. Still moving. So no